Black Friday is just weeks away, and if you don't have a winning product yet, I'm about to give you 5. I spent the last few days putting together a list of the top 5 trending dropshipping products for the month of November. These are sure to sell strongly into Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend, making you guys some serious profits in the process. We'll go over each product and why you should sell it, as well as the pricing, ad interest, and we'll look at the top stores currently selling them. I've even put together a list of the top AliExpress suppliers for each one of these products. So remember to drop a like and subscribe for more content just like this. My name's Alex if you're new. Let's get right into the video. All right guys, here we have our top 5 trending products for the month of November. As always, I'll leave this exact presentation for you guys to download down below. I've already found the top AliExpress suppliers for each one of these products, so you guys can plug them right into your own Shopify stores and start testing right away. Like always, you guys should sign up for my winning product notifications linked down below. I'll send you guys the hottest winning products to sell on your own dropshipping stores every 2 weeks at no cost to you guys. And when you're ready, let's go over our first winning product for November. All right, product number 1 is this privacy phone case that you can see right here. This product has been blowing up all over TikTok lately, and essentially what it does is it hides the content of your phone from those around you. You can't see your phone's content on the screen unless you're looking directly at it. So this is a attention-grabbing product that appeals to the younger audiences. This is very easy to create content around. There's already quite a few viral videos with tons of views, likes, and sales that you can easily recreate yourself. There's only a handful of brands selling this product right now, so now is the perfect time to jump on this trend. If you guys want to sell this product, you can sell it for $29.99, costing you guys $4.44 per phone case, making you guys $25.55 per sale with a high profit margin of 85%. So if you guys were to start testing this product with Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start testing immediately would be iPhone, Samsung, and smartphones, of course. So let's go ahead and take a look at another brand that's currently selling this product, as well as a viral TikTok. All right, this is the iPhone privacy case from Tecterio. They actually have a Samsung variation of this product on their website as well. You guys can see right off the bat, they have some high quality images of their product, obviously taken directly off of AliExpress. They have their upsells up here. They're selling it for $29.99. They have 6 different color options with a ton of different phone variations to choose from. I do like their quantity breaks though, where you guys can buy 2, get 10% off, 3 with 15% off, or you guys can get 20% off by purchasing 4. So I always like to include those in all of my own product pages. They have their description down here, which is just a bunch of different paragraphs divided with each benefit. They have the reviews imported down here. They have 1,400 5-star reviews. I would definitely include a couple 4-star reviews to add to a little bit of social proof, because some customers get a little scared when they see only 5-star reviews imported on stores, because people know nowadays that you can simply delete bad reviews. They have their frequently bought together down here, more upsells you may also like. So it's a decent product page. I definitely cleaned it up a little bit, but this is the top brand on TikTok that's currently selling this product. So let's look at one of their best TikToks. All right, this is just a simple 8-second video showing how this product works, yet it has 6.4 million likes. You guys can easily recreate this yourselves. Now, before we move on to the next winning product, I want to show you guys the easiest way to start testing winning products, both fast and cheap. You guys can actually purchase proven to convert video ad packages from a company like Ecom Adz. Now, I've talked about these guys many times on my channel before, but Ecom Adz is the most well-known video editing company in the world for dropshipping, and they've made over 50,000 video ads for more than 25,000 clients. Myself included, I've been using these guys for years, and I've never been disappointed in any of their videos. I might have the occasional revision request here and there, but they're so quick to fulfill it. Now, what sets them apart from other video ad companies is the fact that the owners are actively involved in e-commerce themselves, and they've generated over $30 million in sales using the videos made by Ecom Adz. Here's some of their best-selling video ad packages if you guys are interested. They have their single video ad package right here. They have their split testing ad package right here, which is 4 ad variations for your one winning product, but they also have their TikTok split testing package, which is my personal favorite. It's so simple to get started and order one, and they always perform so well for me. They deliver in 1 to 3 business days and will make any revisions that you want. Now, if you guys are constantly testing new products and creatives like me, you can save a ton of money in the process by joining their VIP program. Look at this. Each time you purchase this video ad package from them, you can pay $12.50 instead of that $50 pricing point. And this applies to all of their different video ad packages. By joining their VIP program, you get 75% off all video editing packages, 30% off UGC, guaranteed one-day delivery and revision time, as well as priority support. This will allow you to test as many products as you want for incredibly cheap, all the way up until Black Friday. This kind of seems like a no-brainer to me, but what do I know? I'll leave a link down below so that you guys can check them out yourselves. Also, use code Alexander15 for 15% off your first video editing package. All right, guys, product number 2 is just a new version of a successful product from the past, and that's a heatless hair curler 2.0. It's recently racked up millions of likes on TikTok, once again allowing you to easily recreate or outsource all this scroll stopping content. It's performing well for a couple of different brands on Pinterest, Facebook, as well as TikTok ads. It only costs you $4.36 on AliExpress. You can go on to sell it for $24.99, making you a profit of $20.63 per sale with a great profit margin of 83%. If you guys want to start off testing this product on Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be personal care, hair curling, as well as hair products. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of the top brands that is currently selling this product, as well as a Pinterest ad. All right, this is from Kayla Beauty. Easy to tell that they're a niche store. They have their offer in their product title, buy one, get one free, ends today. This is the Octo Curl. They're selling it for $21.95, on sale from $29.99, 45 reviews imported. They have some benefits up here. They have their images obviously taken right off of AliExpress for most of those. They have their bundling option right here where you can actually get that free product by purchasing the first one. They have some drop-down menus right here, the FAQs, how to use their shipping and delivery. Okay, I like this description. It looks really good so far. So they have it divided by a couple different paragraphs and bullet points and images and GIFs. They're showing customers, satisfaction guarantee. They have the reviews imported down here, 89% 5-star ratings. They have a couple of 3 and 4-star reviews to show authenticity, because not everyone's gonna be a happy customer. You're always gonna have some people that complain in the comments, and people know that. Altogether, this is a decent product page that you guys can easily recreate yourself. All right, so this is definitely interesting. This is a TikTok video, obviously taken right off of TikTok, but somebody is running this on Pinterest ads, and they're having a lot of success doing so. They've been running this for a couple of weeks, and they keep scaling it up from doing my research. Altogether, this is a pretty good video that you guys can put together something just like this yourselves. All right, product number 3, you guys might have seen this product in the past, but it's currently blowing up again, making it the perfect time to jump on this trend and start selling it. This is the birth month flower necklace. I said this necklace is come and gone with other trending products in the past. However, it's currently gaining millions of views on TikTok with a couple of brands selling it. There's a ton of free content that you guys can download and easily recreate some of these viral TikToks yourself. It's a great product to sell during gifting season with great margins for scaling. This product only costs you $3.49 on AliExpress. You guys can go on to sell it for $29.99, making you guys $26.50 per sale with a high profit margin of 88%. If you guys want to start testing this product on Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be Etsy, necklace, and jewelry. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of the top brands that's currently selling this necklace, as well as a TikTok video that's promoting it. All right, so right here we have the birth flower necklace from Lonk & Love. They appear to be in the relationship niche with products around couples. You guys can see all that right here on their homepage. So they're selling it for $28. They have their quantity breaks right here, buy 2 and get 10% off. They have their amount sold right here, $5.87. 3 different color options, silver, gold, and rose gold. Here's their customization box right here where you put in your name and choose your birth flower. So they have some decent images over here, obviously taken right off of AliExpress. I'd clean some of this up, like some of the white background images you don't really want. I like the personalized images that show it on people. That's definitely what your customer is looking for, like how it's gonna look on them. So they have more information down here with all of the different birth flowers. They have a GIF with the actual product. So it's not much of a description, it's decent. It doesn't really justify the $30 pricing point. Then they have 9 reviews down here, 8 5-star, 1 4-star, so I like that. They did a decent job with this product page, but I would definitely clean it up a little bit, and you guys could probably get by charging a little more by doing so. Your own name with birth flower. So very simple hook with a 13-second video that's racked up almost 40,000 likes. You guys can easily recreate some of this content yourselves. Look how simple this is. All right, moving on to product number 4, we have this electric cupping vacuum. I said this product offers a solution to post-workout pain for people who go to the gym. The wow appeal has gained a lot of attention on TikTok with only a few brands promoting it. Now is the perfect time to jump on this trend and scale it past Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. It can be incredibly easy to make TikTok content around and should perform very well on Facebook, Google Ads, or any platform you want to sell it on. It only costs you $13.51 on AliExpress, a pricing point that you can negotiate much lower with your suppliers. And you guys can go on to sell it for $59.99, making you guys $46.48 per sale. That's a great profit margin of 78%. And if you guys do want to start off testing on Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be gym, fitness, and workout. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of the top brands selling this product, as well as a TikTok video promoting it. All right, this is the Smart Cupper from Revomatic. Going to their homepage, you guys can tell they are in the gym, fitness, and wellness niche. They sell a bunch of different gym products. So I really like their website and the way they have everything put together and branded. It just looks so visually appealing and well put together. They have their description right here with some bullet points at the top. They have their quantity breaks right here, buy 1, 2, or 4, and you guys can save a lot by doing so. I really like the way they have all of this set up. They have some very high quality images of their product in use right here. Shows all the different features and benefits and uses and what it can do for each one of these customers. They have their shipping and returns, their FAQs, their social proof for their badges right here as seen on. More information about their product, high quality images showing people using it and getting good results with it. They have some statistics down here, which definitely drive conversions. More information about the product, science backed. They go into the details about how the product works. They have videos. They have tons of bullet points, social proof, reviews. I really like this product page. There's not a single thing on here that I would change. So definitely take a look at this product page yourself and look at some points that you guys can take off of this website to use on your own. Nike offered me $5 million for this invention. So I like that hook already. This is obviously another brand that's selling this product, but obviously they took these clips off of the internet, threw them all together to make this video, and it's actually performing pretty well for them. So you guys can do something similar and see these same results yourself. All right, product number 5, last but not least. This one has really been blowing up all over TikTok over the past couple of weeks, and that is the wireless camera bulb. I said this product is going viral fast. It's gotten over 4,000 recent AliExpress orders with one supplier alone. With positive 5-star ratings, 12-day delivery, wow factor, and more, this is a product that you can't pass over during Q4. You guys can sell it for $59.99, costing you $12.85 on AliExpress, which you can negotiate much lower with your suppliers, making you a profit of $47.14 per sale with a 79% profit margin. So if you guys want to start running this product on Facebook, 3 very good interests would be home improvement, security alarm, and camera. So one more time, let's take a look at a store that's currently selling this product, as well as a TikTok video that's promoting it. All right, so this is from Tulip's Life. They're a general dropshipping store, but we have the light bulb security camera, best security camera 2023. So they're doing that for SEO purposes, so that when people are Googling best security camera 2023, their product page will come up on the search engine results. So they're selling it for $46, marked down from $92. They have next day delivery and free returns for every order. So they have stock in the US, obviously. They have some high quality images over here of this product. It looks like a lot of these are actually taken off of AliExpress. Then they have some more social proof down here. I really like what they've done with this, the curiosity headline. They said, why homeowners are trading in their outdated doorbell cams for this $46 alternative. The security benefits are insane. So it looks like it's taken directly off of an article. They're doing that for social proof. They have a video down here. They have some gifts of their product in use. Down here, they have their FAQs to clear up any confusion. They have reviews down here, but they don't have any imported. I would definitely start by importing some reviews for the social proof. But other than that, this is a decent product page justifying that $46 pricing point. I like some of the tactics they've used on here, like the best security camera 2023, this curiosity headline down here, and all of the high quality content showing this product in action. All right, so TikTok Shop must-have is like the new TikTok made me buy it. Just putting that at the beginning of your videos is a great hook in itself. So this simple 37-second TikTok just shows this product in use, them installing it, the different features and benefits, how it works, all of that good stuff, and it's gotten over 300,000 likes as of recently. You now have the 5 best products going into Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Drop a like if this video helped you, and don't forget to sign up for our winning product notifications, link down below if you want more products just like these. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.